The DNA of Olea is innovation. We have to innovate. Olea made the decision to work more closely for many years with the clinicians because we want to improve their workflow, their work. For that, of course, everyone is talking about artificial intelligence. It's one of the tools Olea is developing.
We're going to bring a new automation platform, including both automatic post-processing and AI, with a large landscape of clinical applications. Our goal is to enhance productivity, to have a better diagnosis, and then a lower rates of misdiagnosis for a better patient outcome.
We are now developing a tons of new applications and a strong platforms. We call it SDK, our software development kit.
The Olea SDK is a new product that allows anyone to create his own post-processing application without coding in no time. It also supports the integration of any language very easily.